want you guys to pick the 3 best boys and the 3 best girls and have the girls come here and the boys come here.
O sige, mga judges, punta ka dito, mamili kasi ng magaling sumin. Yung nakita ninyo. Sige, tulungan nyo. Asa yung mga lalaki? Sila mamili sa magaling sumin, mga lalaki. Babaeng doon yung namili.
Alright, alright. Alright. Now you guys all go back to your seats. The rest of you go back to your seats. Now you guys are going to be the judges. You kids are going to be the judges of these guys. We're going to find the best dancer. And the best dancer will receive 100 pesos. Second place will receive 25 pesos. Third place will receive 20 pesos. And our other dancers will receive 5 pesos. So you guys are going to be the judges, okay? So I want you to watch them. Tell them you guys are going to be the judges.
Sige, kayo dyan ang mga judges akan makuhukom, ha? Tingnan nyo kung sinong magaling sumayaw. Dahil yung pinakamagaling sumayaw, bibigyan niya ng 100 pesos. Tapos, yung pangalawa, bibigyan niya ng 25 pesos.
Okay, so
yung isa naman, yung pangatlo, 20 pesos. Yung isa naman, 5 peso na lang. Yung hindi sasayaw, walang peso.
So after they finish their dance, I'm going to have you shout and scream for the one you like the most, okay? All right, you ready? Let's get the music going, Mr. Silver. 1, 2, 3, crank that music. It's time to say y'all.
Let them dance to the floor. Them.
Okay, dulu sa sir. Sa baba.
Alright, when I put my hand over their head, you scream if you really like them.
Okay, aking ilagay ng aking kamay dito sa ibabaw at sumigaw kayo kung nagustuhan ninyo.
So you're going to put your hand over their head?
Okay, ha?
And I want to hear you guys scream really loud for the one you like.
Okay, ilagay nila ang kamay
Pastor,
nila.
lumipad yung pera.
Kapag
Pera, lumipad.
Okay. Okay, kapag nakita nyo kung nagustuhan nyo ang kanyang sayaw, sumigaw kayo yung malakas na sigaw talaga silang mananalo. Okay. Ibig sabihin, nagustuhan ninyo. Sige.
Okay, let's do it for this guy right here. Come on. For this guy right here. All right. Let's see here. This is our second place. for the boys. And this is our third place. Okay, you guys can go. You go. You stay there. Stay there.
Diyan ka lang, nakadet ka lang.
Now, for the girls, are you guys ready?
Okay, sa mga babae, handa na po kayo dyan.
All right. Here we go.
Naubos ng pera. Dumukot na. Mamaya, magkakanda ito mamaya. Tulungan natin ha. Bisikleta natin ito dalawa.
So, first place winner will get 100 pesos and second place will get 50 pesos.
Okay, yung unang mananalo, yung maging champion, bibigyan namin ng 100. Yung second runner-up, yung pangalawa, 50 na lang.
What is your name, Dong?
Nak, sino pangalan mo, Nak? Sino pangalan mo?
Nico?
Bingo? Sige, andyan na, sige. Andyan na kayo. Bingo!
Let's hear it for you! Alright, you guys be seated, be seated, be seated.
Okay, sige na. Pwede na mag-upo.